Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Sunlife Financial detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin using Sunlife Financial, go to their official website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the sign up or register button often located at the top right of the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and contact details. Once you've submitted the form, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. Log into your account using your email and chosen password. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Navigate to the Products or Services section to explore available options. Choose the financial product that suits your needs, such as insurance or investment plans. Click on the product for detailed information and benefits. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. If you decide to apply, click the Apply Now button. Fill out the application form with the required personal and financial information. Attach any necessary documentation as requested. After submitting the application, you may receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions or updates regarding your application status. If you need assistance, look for the Contact Us section on the website. You can reach out via phone, email, or chat support. Explore the Resources section for articles, FAQs, and guides that provide additional information. Once your application is approved, you will receive details about your plan. Log into your account regularly to monitor your investments and policy details. Make any necessary changes, such as updating your contact information or preferences. Review your financial goals periodically to ensure your plan aligns with them. Make use of the educational resources offered by Sunlife to enhance your financial literacy. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact customer support for help. Stay informed about any new product offerings or updates by checking their website regularly. Utilize the mobile app for on-the-go access to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.